CK.aka.C.K.aka, Foxx Hound. He out here sounding more like a hound dog. And we all know he ain't got a cigar between his lips. We all know what he's got between his lips. Yeah, you guys, stop hiding, man. CK out there outside your door looking for you, man. To forget him, he's not out there talking on the mic. He outside your door, man. He got some hot stuff for you. 2-5 and below collecting hot sauce, and CK throwing hot stuff. Talking about all that shit they're doing in Long Island, Birdman and their crew, Birdman and crew, you know, the big CB gangsters. It is officially 7:19 in the PM in New York City. It is officially 7:19 in the PM on Channel 19 in New York City. Your worldwide hole in the wall, now Kirkland, Brooklyn CB shop. The man, the most talked about MVP and speculated upon, don't plucker on your East Coast, getting on down to the back quiet. He about to scream and yell that I put 2 comments on his Facebook. He gonna remove him now. One, there's 1, 1, 2. Just change the breaking up mic and you're going to be alright, trust me.
I don't know what the fuck's wrong with this goddamn mic.
Usually it's the thing you squeeze. Usually it's the triggers. Poor you. I feel for you there, Larry Bird. Y'all got a big Foxx Hound dog crybaby in your ear. And he ghost crying too, man. He don't know what the fuck he crying about. He just trying to make some noise at the noise level. I got him noise level over here at the video games show, but you probably got him half a radio. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Christine, 16. Don't worry, Cupcake. Don't worry, man. First time you crossed that line, I told you it's going to end only one way only. That's how you end, man. Don't you worry about it, man. Just, keep psyching yourself up. Keep blaming me for everything. I like that. I get soft on that. But do me a favor. At the same time, don't come out here crying saying, you're antagonizing me, man. You're antagonizing me, right? That's what you're doing, antagonizing me, man. Hypnotize, man. Convince you, hypnotize. I don't have to convince you, hypnotize you with nothing, man. You do a real good job convincing yourself of hypnotizing the whole fantasy. 127 got that. Man, if that doesn't say fucking shoulders to the floor, on all fours, ass in the air, Richie broke me down. You're antagonizing me, man. Crying. Richie antagonizing you? Oh. Let me tell you something. On that note, every video game I got that got you in it went platinum, bro. Through the roof. Punk. I can't help it, Shy Guy. Allegedly, it's all about truth and justice out here, and the biggest lie has been removed, but I'm pretty sure what I stated was a justified truth. Not a truth you have to speculate upon, not a truth you have to say, I know. One that was shown and proved to you, where you have to digest, I know. Got that right. But I don't know, man. My wife is keeping me pretty calm, and all these fucking queens out here are dissipating. I don't know. These are alleged comic book bad boys. Yeah, you fucking big idiots. You still can't catch up to me and her, man. You still don't know how we do this, do you? Well, it's got to do with a whole bunch of tellers. And I can tell you, but I'm not going to tell you. And a whole bunch of tellers I really ain't going to tell you. But it all comes down to TELE. Fortunately, for a couple of members of her family, all they had was a crystal ball. Daddy thought he was going to fuck with that. See how that worked? Everybody's eyes got to see what she seen in that ball. Everybody in that house eyes got to see what she wanted them to see in that ball. The only eyes that couldn't see into that ball was yours. You want to know why? Because kid money, everything. Kid money is everything wasn't by your side. Richie's clear.
Driver, do you ever shut the fuck up?
Well, if I was squealing like you, I would have to say that's why I'm perceived to be a driver rather than the cat operating the hole-in-the-wall CD shop. But if it's any consolation to your hand, kindly put your... Listen, I need your commentary. It'll make my video game something else. Now, I know you ain't local. Your accent give you away on that. But come on, man. Speak to me. Don't get mad at me. Speak to me.
Well, if you know that I'm not local, tell me where I'm from.
Well, I wish I could tell you that, but, you have more like a middle twang, like a southern twang. But it doesn't matter where you're from, man. What matters the most to me is that mic in your hand, that you're grabbing it for the same reason I'm grabbing it, to reach out and touch someone. Now, don't take that literally, because I know you're a truck driver. I know you passing through. I damn sure don't want you to confuse pistol grip as being one of them poop shoe pick apart Pete Paulies. You know what I mean?
Damn, driver, you are pretty good. I am a truck driver. I'm from Florida. I'm southern. So, you should a little bit there, bud.
Alright, well, let me help your truck driver butt out only because I love my truck drivers. Let me speak it in your language. What they call me around here? The White Knight, who also operates the hole-in-the-wall New York City CB shop. Do I need to tell you again? The White Knight. Got me?
I got you loud and clear, White Knight.
It's nice to know there's a couple of drivers out there that, actually know what that means.
Yeah, driver, you from New York?
Born and raised, Brooklyn, New York.
There we go. Yeah, this is my first time here in Brooklyn. I'm over here at the farmer's market. Like I said, my first time. Boy, I'll tell you what, my last time, it's hell getting the truck over here.
Well, you know what? I'm going to do you a favor, man. I'm going to do you a favor because, I do run the hole-in-the-wall non-Brooklyn CB shop. And my truck drivers are my life and my world. And, everybody criticizes y'all. But little do they know that damn clothes on their back, that mic they're keying, that radio they're talking on, that food they eating. It's all there because of trucker drivers. So, they're going to have to learn to respect the trade and respect what it does and what its production is. So I'm going to do you a big favor. If you really like to understand the great big apple, then you're going to need to remember 3 words. Big money here. Understand? 3 magic words. Big money here. As long as you can remember those 3 words and you can type .playlist after those 3 words, you're going to get New York City in a nutshell. Your hole-in-the-wall, non-Brooklyn CB shop, a.k.a. known to the hitters around your way as Pistol Grip 127 Clear. Oh shit, he's still on this Pow Talk shit. I thought that was last video. Don't forget, driver. Truck driver's best friend when he rolling down the road, ain't got no radio, need a little radio action. Need a little radio action, not in the truck, can't get by the truck. Maybe the truck 5 miles away, he in the Cheers, how about restaurant there? Hit up with that YouTube. Big Money Here, .playlist. The first day videos are going to keep you laughing, man. At the end of every video, you got to crown the shop king, man. But the hit counts on them videos tell you all the justified truth they hold. All in the interest of truth and justice, that is. I feel bad because Mr. Truth and Justice is going to be living on my video channels harder than he ever did before, so I guess I'm going to have to make a couple of more than normal video gates daily, man. I'm going to have to get back to like 20, 30 gates a day. Give him something to masturbate over. I'm so glad whatever he's saying, you know, some serious shit to him. So hold on, man. If I'm out here recording the people that are doing it, how can you blame me for it? I'm better than that. What am I recording people doing other than cry their motherfucking eyes out? You all huffy and puffy and shit. Listen to him. is officially 7:37 on channel 37. Mario, let me hear that radio. Man, snap, crackly, and poppy is that sound. That sound like movie star shit. Alright, I'm back to 19 to listen to the hound dog, the fox hound cry like a hound dog. Pussy got tired of hearing himself cry all loop. Oh shit, the wind just blew his antenna to the ground. It came up a pound. You're talking about him and his buddies. You going crazy, Shy Guy. The gorilla, the silverback, flipped out, man. Fell out the tree. Hey, maybe he can excite himself to get to the end of that day already and stop giving everybody a headache out here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody ran out of tear tissue a long time ago. I know I did. he's stuttering. BK, you got him shook. He got a hot one in his hand for you. He got a hot one in his hand for you. Don't worry, as soon as he busts his nut, it'll go cold. City tri-state area, CK187, aka Headbanger, whatever, aka Foxx, Hound, aka Chicken Kid, aka New York City's #1 cupcake, is all cried and beat out. Now he's DJing. So we're gonna end this video, Gate, and well, here you have it, folks. Another episode of your East Coast CB Radio, courtesy of your hole in the wall, non Crooklyn, Brooklyn. Pistol, baby. Pistol.